What's going on, car people? Israel here with Byrider Milwaukee, here to highlight a back-to-school video. We know that time is coming. Here is this beautiful 2014 Ford Flex Limited. Show you guys a couple of amenities here. Automatic trunk lifting gate. That's always a plus. Nice third row seating. Probably more comfortable for a family. You know, it got more space. Even a newer family that just wants more space around. Let's get a look on the inside here. Touchscreen dashboard, Bluetooth. Great. Nice leather seating. We got the heated seats, heated steering wheel, all-wheel drive, and take a look at that third row. Here we have a 2014 Chevy Cruz. Perfect for a college student, you know, something small and compact, first-time driver. Here's a little bit of the inside. Nice and clean. Come check us out, 4810 South 27th Street.